Hey gang, Matt the Helpful Home Inspector coming at you from home up in Kewanee, Wisconsin. Furthest away I've been from Hartford in a while, but Kewanee kind of a little bit north of Manitowoc, almost out on the thumb of Wisconsin, but a lot closer to the lake. I can see the lake from the house. Yeah, nice little area. But today we're bringing you a little episode to help you save a life. Today we're talking about smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, something that's essential to every single house, and every house should have them a minimum of one per floor. Now, as far as the building codes go, they want one every bedroom, one outside of every bedroom. They kind of go crazy. They want them all over the place. Understandably, we want to make sure to cut down on fire-related deaths as much as possible. But one thing that we're looking at and that we see in a lot of houses is these discolored guys. So if we're seeing these guys that are discolored, orange, yellow, whatever the color may be, it means this guy's way too old. They're actually making them out of a plastic so that it will discolor, letting you know that it's well beyond its normal lifespan. Now, when it comes to smoke carbon monoxide detectors, you want to refer to the manufacturer's instructions, but the National Fire and Safety Commission says a minimum of 10 years. So 10 years we need to replace those smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Now, this is because actually through their testing and stuff, they found after 10 years of operation, the smoke carbon monoxide detector will only work about 50% of the time. Working half the time when we have a fire is not okay. It's not acceptable. We want to get as close to 100% of the time as possible, so making sure that we replace them every 10 years on the minimum, but the manufacturer's instructions might say earlier. So like carbon monoxide detectors, they might say that you need to replace them every 8 years. So check your carbon monoxide detector, check your smoke detector, make sure they're young enough, and if they're discolored like this guy, they gotta go. You can't have them in your house anymore. You gotta get rid of those guys. They should not be present in your home. You're putting your family at risk by having something like this sitting in your house, all right? So get rid of that guy, take down the old one, put up a new one, and it's a small investment, 25, 30 bucks. You can get a combination unit, which will do smoke and carbon monoxide detector at the same time, and you need one minimum of one per floor. Your safety, your health, the health and safety of your family is well worth it, all right? So let's change those guys out once every 10 years. If they're yellowing, discolored, gotta go immediately.